Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sell Bitcoin in Zengo app. It's a very simple process, so let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure you are connected to the internet and download the Zengo app if you haven't already. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure to log in with your account. Once you are logged in, you'll see this interface. Here you can see the arrow icon at the bottom. Tap on it. Now select the option Sell. From here, you can sell the cryptocurrency you have in your account. So if you have Bitcoin, you can sell that Bitcoin from here. So if you want to sell the Bitcoin and swap it with different cryptocurrency, you can select the option Swap to Stablecoin. Or if you want to sell the Bitcoin and receive money in your local currency, then you can choose the options in the bottom. You can choose the wallet. For now, I'll choose Panza. It will prompt you to the selling page. Here, you can enter the amount of Bitcoin that you want to sell. And right below that, you'll see the equivalent money you'll be receiving. You can even change the currency by tapping on this drop-down list. You can select your preferred currency over here. And after selling the Bitcoin, you will receive the money in your bank account. So that's why bank transfer is selected. And after that, tap on this create order button to verify your details. So here you need to enter your registered email address and select the country. Once you're done, tap on submit. You will receive a verification code through your email. Open your email and paste the code over here. Now, you will be prompted to the deposit details page. Here you need to provide the details of your bank account where you will receive money after selling your Bitcoins. And once you're done, tap on the submit details. And once everything is verified, you will receive money in your bank account. So that's it. That's how you can sell Bitcoin in the Zengo app. It's a very simple process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.